To get USDT on Binance, you will need to create an account and complete the verification process. First, go to the Binance website and click on Register. Then enter your email address and password, and verify your account through the email sent by Binance. After verifying your account, log in and click on the Verification tab. Then select your country of residence and follow the instructions to complete the verification process. This is a necessary step to comply with regulations and ensure the security of your account. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds to buy USDT. To do this, click on the Wallet tab and then click on Fiat and Spot. Then select the currency you want to deposit and follow the instructions to complete the deposit. You can also use other cryptocurrencies to buy USDT. To do this, click on the Markets tab and search for the USDT trading pair. Then click on the trading pair and enter the amount you want to buy. Alternatively, you can use the Buy Crypto tab to buy USDT directly with your credit or debit card. To do this, click on the Buy Crypto tab and select the currency you want to use. Then enter the amount you want to buy and follow the instructions to complete the purchase. It is essential to note that Binance offers different trading pairs, so you can buy USDT with other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Additionally, Binance has a mobile app that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the go. In terms of fees, Binance charges a small fee for each transaction, and the fee varies depending on the payment method and the amount being transacted. It is crucial to review the fees before making a transaction to ensure you understand the costs involved. In conclusion, getting USDT on Binance is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, verifying your identity, and depositing funds or using other cryptocurrencies to buy USDT. By following these steps and being aware of the fees and trading options, you can easily get USDT on Binance and start trading.